Scheider Farms, and today I want to talk about hydrangea and iron deficiency. So in front of me we have it's a paniculata hydrangea. This is a particular one is Firelight, and it's one of my favorites. But you can see how you got some yellow on the leaves. What that is iron deficiency, and we have a little bit of trouble around here with our clay soil. So I've got some Espoma iron tone, and what we're going to do is apply that around the root, the drip line around the root system. So it takes about a cup. We'll measure about a cup out. You don't have to be exact. And we're just going to sprinkle it around the drip line. Fairly even. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. And then after this, we're going to want to take a hose and water it in really good. And it will eventually clear up some of this. What you really want to do, though, is if you know you have this problem, maybe apply it in the spring so that the new growth is all green. I knew I had this problem. We applied this a couple years ago, and it was great last year. I didn't apply it this year, and we had some issues again. So we're putting some more iron tone on it. We're going to have greener leaves after this, and we're going to have beautiful flowers all summer long. We'll see you next time.